You know what? I'm just gonna completely ignore the fact that I was away for roughly 3 months, and I'm just gonna drop this video about Pagani Huayra like nothing happened. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm here with Pietro from Pagani. Ciao, ciao. So what do we have here? We have the Pagani Huayra Roadster, right?
Yep.
So can you tell us a little bit more, some special features about it?
This is the first Roadster that it's lighter than the Coupe. 1280 kilos, or 80 kilos less than the Huayra Coupe. That was already the lightest hypercar on the market. 764 horsepower, so 34 more. From the 6-liter V12 bi-turbo by AMG. It's the first time AMG develops an engine for a manufacturer outside the Daimler Group.
Okay.
Numbers we don't have yet official, but the Coupe was 0 to 6 to 100 in 3.3 seconds and over 350 kilometers an hour top speed. This is lighter, more powerful, and with a better gearbox. New carbon fiber, this one, it's called Carbo 3X HP52. HP for Horacio Pagani, 52 because it has maintains the same stiffness as regular carbon, which we see here.
Okay.
But it's 52%, the same lightness, but it's 52% stiffer. This is Carbo Titanium. Was invented for the Zonda 5, so it's basically a mix of carbon fiber and titanium.
Oh, well, you have tons of luggage space. Come on, we can go on a road trip now.
Yeah, for sure. This is made by our partners Schedoni in Modena.
Looks amazing.
Same leather as the interior, coordinated stitching.
It has to match.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, look at that tire. What is
355?
355.
355 35 21, made by Pirelli for us. You can see Mr. Pagani's signature right here.
But
you can have on this car you can have the P0 Corsa or the Trofeo R. Here there's a Euro coin.
What is that?
There's a Euro coin because Mr. Pagani is a huge fan of Leonardo da Vinci. That's a drawing from Leonardo.
Wait, so what is that for? What is the coin for?
He just likes it.
He likes it. Okay. So when you're Mr. Pagani, whatever you like, you can just add on to the car and be like, why not?
Every detail is specifically redesigned. New dashboard, new steering wheel, first time with keyless go, electric handbrake. These are the controls for the windows. This click was redesigned 5 times because Mr. Pagani didn't like the noise. The engineers were really happy. This is another part of the heated luggage.
Nice. Nice. That's a kind of briefcase style.
Yeah.
Perfect.
If you have some liquids that you don't want to transport in here because of this little baby, it might get a bit hot.
I can see it's a push rod suspension at the back.
Welded by hand.
Welded by hand.
Soldato a mano. Welded by hand.
Okay.
New exhaust.
Completely new. Ah, Jesus, that is like engineering
shape
porn.
Yeah, chassis number 003. 001 and 002 are prototypes. This is a press car.
Okay. So 004 will be the first
customer.
customer.
Our roof, 12 kilos only, 4 layers. The top 2 are Gorilla Glass, and the middle 2, one is this mesh looking thing that is for UV protection. Our first market in the world is the US, especially Florida and California, so you don't want the car to be too hot. And then one layer is for wind noise protection, so that you only hear the V12.
That is an amazing introduction. Thank you very much for that.